my natural progression after I completed my education, I am a chartered accountant and company secretary and a postgraduate in commerce by education. So once I completed that, the natural progression was either I go for my own practice or I join industry. I was not very keen on either industry or on accounting or auditing. And Ferguson, which is a legacy firm of Deloitte, that was the largest consulting at that time. So I decided to join there, appeared for interviews, and thankfully I could clear that and ended up joining as a consultant with A.F. Ferguson and Company. Deloitte of course gave a lot of learning opportunities, and within that the core opportunities or the core areas that I could carve out for myself were mergers and amalgamations, sale of business or business units, and designing of systems and processes across the spectrum. So whether it is accounting systems or MIS system, budgetary control systems. So those were my core areas where I was working. Deloitte actually prepared me to face challenges. And that's what I face even today. I mean, I get challenges by the hour today, and that's what Deloitte prepared me for. In fact, I can safely say that my current role has lot of inputs because of my stint with Deloitte. Because Deloitte at that time genuinely taught me a few things, which are attention to details, ethical values, and focused approach towards any work. These three things put together, they really made me prepare for this job that I'm currently doing. And I'm very, very happy because in retail, the area in which I work, this needs all these three things combined. Turning point at Deloitte, honestly speaking, I would say that every assignment that I did was indeed a turning point. Because I got to learn new things. It was my first job. So I got to learn new things. And all those things became a turning point in my life. Now if I want to specify about my personal career growth, then my turning point was my promotion within the period of first 6 months of my joining Deloitte. And that became a turning point because suddenly from an assistant level guy, I became a consultant. And I had more responsibilities. I knew how to interact with the clients, how to deal with a lot of internal and external communication, and that really became my turning point there. So in fact, I'm already feeling nostalgic about this now. So if I take a very, very, very broad way, then Deloitte was almost like a college environment. Though we were out of college, we were working very, very hard. At the same time, the environment, the kind of people were there, it was like they were friends. They were not seniors or juniors, they were all friends. We would lunch together, we would party together, and we would also work together. So those memories I can never forget. If I were to name a few specific instances, see, I had an assignment where I had to spend more than 3 or 4 months in Shimla, imparting training to some of the clients' colleagues or 12 people. Shimla almost became a second home for me at that time. And I still can't forget those memories, those beautiful memories. So that was one. I can also recall of an incident where because of an assignment, we ended up reaching the source of a river, which was so beautiful. I still can't forget that, and I don't think any layman can achieve that kind of a thing. So those are the memories that really make me feel nostalgic. Another very good thing, so when I quit Ferguson, then I quit Deloitte, I started my own consulting. And the association still did not end. And that's the most nostalgic part of it, because when I started my own consulting, most of my clients were either because of Ferguson, because of Deloitte, or they were referred by Deloitte. So clients would come to me because I am an ex-Deloitte, and they would love to have me have me working for them. The same thing, hard work, ethical values, timelines, and the attention to details. That's the most important. The attention to details was something that I can fully ascribe to my stint with Deloitte. My seniors at that time, they taught me how to get into details, how to ensure that you don't miss even a single point when you're designing systems and processes, or when you are getting into the mergers and amalgamations, and the client has to feel that you're not left out anything.